Alright, here's my stock hub locking mechanism, and just to show you, it'll go in here in the stock hub, get it lined up here, and then see it just kind of falls in pretty easy. Alright, now try to put it in here, and I can move it around and get it to line up. See, it just lined up with the splines, but I'm trying to get it to go on. I can't do it. I can use the dead blow and get it to go on, but then getting it off is impossible. Even now, I can't get it to come out. So I've checked for burrs. I can't find anything that would be preventing it. Same thing on the other side. This is the left front. Same thing on the right front. So hope this helps.